Hi everyone. Do you know that the ESP32 has an inbuilt real-time clock? Today's video will show you how to read the values of the ROTC and display them on an I2C LCD. We will also see how to read the values of the DS3231 ROTC module. Create a project in FLProg with the ESP32 controller. From the real-time clock tree, drag the block. Obtain the data from the real-time clock into the program. Double-click on the block and click on the new clock number. The displayed prompt requires you to select either from the DS1302, DS1307, DS3231, and the controller's internal clock. Select the controller's internal clock. We will first display the time on the LCD. Select outputs for hours, minutes, and seconds, then click OK. The time values are required to be converted to strings for display on the LCD. Drag a converter string block into the program and place it here. Double-click on it and select Time. Copy the converter string block and paste it twice. Arrange them before the hour, minute, and second outputs of the ROTC block. Then draw the respective connections. Drag an LCD block into the program and double-click on it. Click on New to add the display and select Connection via I2C. I am using the 2x16 LCD. My I2C LCD address is 27. Select Constant Data and type Time. Then click to center. The I2C display connection is as shown. Click OK and invert the EN input. Copy and paste the display block. Double-click on it and select Data Input. Deselect to center. Change the row to 2, the column to 5, and click OK. Draw the hour converter string block output to the display input. Copy and paste the first display. Double-click on it and impute a data constant of column. Deselect to center. Change the row to 2, the column to 7, and click OK. Copy and paste the second display. Double-click on it and change the row to 2, the column to 8, and click OK. Draw the minutes converter string block output to this display input. Copy and paste the third display. Double-click on it and change the row to 2, the column to 10, and click OK. Copy and paste the second display block. Double-click on it and change the row to 2, the column to 11, and click OK. Draw the second converter string block output to the display input. When the code is uploaded into the ESP32, the time displayed on the LCD starts from 0 hour, minute, and second. Note that the time values will always reset to 0 when power is removed from the ESP32. Let's change from the internal ROTC to the DS3231 model. Double-click on the ROTC block and click on New. Select the DS3231 clock. Connect the model to the ESP32 with the same pin connection as the LCD. To set the correct time and date on the model, select Setting the Real-Time Clock option from the Tools bar. Ensure that the ESP32 is plugged to your computer. Select the DS3231 from the prompt. Click on Upload the sketch from the next prompt using the correct board and port number settings. When done uploading, exit and click on Next. This window shows your computer's date and time. Connect the ESP32 to display the DS3231 time and date. Click on the icon at the top right to synchronize the model time with the system time. Exit and upload the program to the board. Observe that the correct time is now shown on the LCD. Finally, let's display the time, date, and temperature of the model on the LCD. First, connect a push-button switch to pin D12 of the ESP32. In a new project, add a digital input tag named Menu with bounce protection and pull-up resistor enabled to pin D12. Drag the digital input to the program and invert its output. Also, add an integer variable named count and drag it into the program. Place a counter between the menu and the count tags. Enable when the upper limit is reached with a constant value of 3. And to set the current value with a constant value of 0. Next, click on the new board icon to add a new program board. Repeat the earlier steps to add the LCD block to display the data constant of time. Copy and paste the block and select the input data to be displayed in row 2. Insert the ROTC block with the DS3231 selection. Select output time and date. The string format of the time and date to be displayed is explained in this help section. Input lowercase letters H:(I:)S and uppercase letter A. Click OK and draw a connection from the block output to the second display input. Place a comparator block here with the default equal. Right-click on the second input and insert an integer constant of 0. Drag the count tag into the program. Draw a connection from its output to the first input of the comparator. Connect the comparator output to the EN inputs of the display blocks. Copy these blocks into another program board. Change the comparator second input constant to 1. Change the string format as shown. And the first display data constant to date. Copy these blocks again into another program board. Change the comparator second input constant to 2. Replace the ROTC date and time with that of the temperature. Place a converter string block and connect them to the second display. Then upload the code to the ESP32. Observe that the correct time is shown on the LCD. Press the push button switch once to display the correct date. Press again to display the temperature, and again to return to the time. That is it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video is helpful. See you in the next one.